Hi, I'm Mike McMiniman. There are three things that we're going to cover in this video. Number one, we're going to show you exactly what we do, show you the proof of why it works, and prepare you for our Zoom call, which will be the next step. Now, if you're an epoxy floor and polyaspartic floor coating contractor, you've probably done some form of paid ads before. And likely one of two things happened. Number one, there was no response to your ads. No leads came in at all. Or number two, leads came in, you got all excited, and then you found out that most of them were just tire kickers looking for prices but weren't ready to actually move. Well, here's what likely happened and how we know how to fix both. Now, before I show you exactly how we fix both of those, let me share this with you. This is a list of high intent buyers that are ready to go. There's several qualifications we've put on this. It includes things like they've been actively searching on the internet over the course of the last 2 to 4 days. They're homeowners. They have a good credit scores, so they make good customers for you. In other words, these are solid leads. Homeowners looking for a contractor with a project already in mind. You see, that is the gap that we close, making sure that high intent buyers come to you. So how do we do that? Let me share this with you. This is the Meta Facebook ad library. And you'll notice that these are ads, many of whom have been around for a very long time. This one launched in October 2022. So the question then becomes, why would somebody run an ad for multiple years if it wasn't consistently bringing in leads to the business? This is an ad that gets results. Therefore, when we run your ad, we'll be running ads that we already know in advance get results. Then what we do is we put on top of that our high intent buyer qualification system. So now we're filtering down to those that are serious and have been actively looking for contractors just like you. So this two-step process so far filters out the tire kickers. So when they come to you, they're people that are ready to talk about a job, and they are people that you are looking to talk with. We don't send you 30 to 50 leads a month. We send you 4 to 5 highly qualified and ready to go leads per month. So if your average job is $4,000 per job, just as a round number, 5 leads a month, it's $20,000 a month. So what makes us special is that we take the time to know your market, to find the ads that are working, to bring together the high intent buyer data, and then to put the client through a qualification process that makes sure by the time they get to you, they know exactly what they want, and your job now comes in to close the deal and to get started on the work. Because these are highly interested, highly qualified buyers brought to you through our process. I look forward to talking with you more about this on our Zoom call.